In this video, we are going to see about Google AI Studio. It is a browser-based IDE for prototyping with generative models. Google AI Studio lets you quickly try out models and experiment with different prompts. When you have built something you are happy with, you can export it to code in your preferred programming language powered by the Gemini API. Okay, now let us see it on web browser. Google AI Studio, we can access it from web browser. So for that you have to go to aistudio.google.com. Okay, it's loading. I already logged in. Okay, otherwise it will ask you to log in. Okay, so this is Google AI Studio. Here you can try various prompts, text prompts, image prompts, video, with the video, other things, and with the different models. You can choose the models from this drop down list. Okay, and then you can make some settings adjustments like temperature, safety settings. Okay, so temperature is like it's indication of randomness. So if you keep very low temperature, then the answer will be consistent. Answers will be consistent. And if you set high temperature, then the randomness will be more. Okay. So these kind of settings and model selection, you can explore the prompts with these settings. Okay. So for that purpose, Google AI Studio is a very convenient thing. Okay, so if you are comfortable with these things, and if you set up your prompts and select model selection, everything, then you can start using it on your application. Okay, for that you need to get the API key. Okay, so here you can click this get API key, and then you can create API key, and you can get the sample codes for using the API in the documentation. It's a very simple thing. Okay, here in the create new, you can find three types of prompts. One is chart prompt, another is free form prompt, and next one is structured prompt. Okay, chart prompt is, it's like similar to Google Gemini, right? It's a conversational thing. We can have a conversation with the model. Free form prompt, here you can include the text and the images. Okay, structure prompt, it's like we can give the data, input data in a tabular format, table based interface. Okay, chart prompt, it's a simple thing. Just you can ask like hi, and we can type our questions. What is the capital of India? Okay, so it's a very simple thing. And next one is this free form prompt. Here you can find the various samples. Okay, see, and the sample prompts also. Either you can just take this, and then you have to tap on it, and then you can ask our own questions. Okay, and images you can choose from this gallery also, or you can upload your own image also. Okay, here we can choose this image, and then we can ask question, what is the name of this animal? Okay, this is one prompt, right? But we can parameterize the variable. Okay, so instead of name, we can use different things. For that you need to choose this test input, right? Okay, so instead of name, you can ask what is the gender of this animal, and what is the scientific name. Okay, and we can ask color, different variables we can ask. Okay, and then we can run it. So the name of the animal is cat. For gender, it is saying that it is not possible to tell the gender of the animal from the image. Scientific name, no content. Color, brown. Okay, so this kind of things will be helping to save some time in creating the prompts, right? And it is very useful for your application development, right? And people will be requiring some kind of convenience whenever they are planning to use your app, right? Otherwise they can straight away use any already available Gemini, that kind of stuff, right? So for that you can use Google AI Studio to develop that kind of stuff, and then you can get the code to use on your applications. Okay, so next one is structured prompts. Here we can add the input in uh, different columns. Similarly, output also different columns. Okay, so to save time, I will be showing this example from the already available sample one, prompt gallery. So you have to go to prompt gallery. Okay, so lot of sample prompts will be available there. So lot of things are there: recipe creator, market description writer, object identifier. Lot of things are there. Okay, so you can choose something. So it is the sample for the structured thing. So here the input, they provided the product image. Okay, and another input is target audience, and the output is marketing description. Okay, so in the table format we can provide the inputs and upload the image, and we can specify the target audience, mid-aged men. Okay, so the while running this prompt, the model will be giving output in the table format itself. Okay, so this can save a lot of time, right? So similarly, you can find a lot of other examples. It's a prompt example. You can find sample codes, other things also. Okay, you can get the code by using this get code button. So if you click this, you can get this URL code or JavaScript, Python. Okay, so it is very easy to include all the settings in your code. Just by copying this code, you can straight away start using it.